We'll guide you through how to see and replay watch videos on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and so you've been watching some videos and now you want to go and see those videos again you've gone and watched, or maybe even go and delete them as well. I'm going to guide you through the different ways this can be done depending upon what you're trying to do. So make sure this full video and you can then decide the outcome you want. So to go and get started with this, we can go and head to the bottom right or top right of Facebook. There you're going to go and find the menu button and you can go and tap on it. Now we're on the Facebook menu page. You want to go and scroll down, find the option for settings and privacy, tap on it to expand it and you can press settings, or just go to the top right of the menu page and press the gear or cog icon to open the settings. From here, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for activity log in Facebook activity and you can go and press that there. Then what you want to do is go and find the option for your Facebook activity and you can go and tap on it. And in here, you need to go and find the option for posts and go and press manage posts, go and wait. Now you're going to go and see different posts here, but we can go and categorize this just to go and see videos you've watched. So you can press filters in the top left, go down and you can go and press categories and you'll get a list of options and you want to go and find videos you've watched. So now here you can go and see your video watch history. Now, if you want to go and delete this, you can go and press the three dots to the right, press delete. Or if you want to go and do it all, you can press clear video watch history at the top. Now with this method, this first one, you can't go and replay. That's going to be the second method. If you tap on it, you'll see nothing happens. But I like showing this first method because with the second method, you can't go and delete the watch history from there, even though you can go and replay it. So now let's get into the replay part of the video. So what you need to do is you need to go to the bottom or top of Facebook, depending upon where the menu bar is, and go and find the option for Reels. Here they are. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the top right, and there you're going to see some options, and you need to press on the magnifying glass like so. So here is the search, but what we're looking for is Reels you've watched. You can see at the top. So go to the right, and you can then go and press the see all option like so. Go and wait for it to load. Now you go and see the reels and videos you've gone and watched here. You can't go and delete them if you press the three dots to the right, but what you can do here is go and watch them. So what we can then do is go and tap on one, for example, this one here, and you can then go back through and go and watch it. So you can scroll back down and go and see your watch history. That's it. There are two different ways. As I said, it's going to go and depend upon what you want to do with them, which is why I put them both in this video. So if you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. On the channel, we've got loads more Facebook guides you can check out, and also a load more other social medias, from Instagram to Snapchat to software to games.